Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. In this weekend's edition, today is Sunday, June 6th. I'm going to be talking about why I don't invest in some of these hot stocks. But before we do that episode, if you're on Facebook, join me on the Facebook group Investing 102, where we can level up your investment knowledge. Hey, let's take a quick look at crypto in Cointelegraph. I just wanted to see market look like it's pretty flat. Crypto has been downtrending for the last week or two. It's been pretty brutal. But I wanted to talk about something that's really interesting with crypto. Dogecoin was very popular. It's still under 74 cents. And let me see if I can find out more details. So here's a little trend for the last month. I believe this was the 74 cents or whatever it was, 72 it looks like. I don't know exactly what it was, but that was the night before Saturday Night Live when Elon Musk came. And then you see this, it's downtrending. There is some support right around here, it looks like. It bounces up on high volume. I don't trade this. I really don't. I just stick to the big ones. I'm sticking to maybe Bitcoin and Ether. I have very little of everything. And also, when you come to Bitcoin, don't forget, if it's not your keys, not your coin, store it offline in a hardware wallet. And let's take a quick look at SafeMoon. So here, SafeMoon, there's a lot of hype recently on SafeMoon. A lot of people are buying it. But obviously, SafeMoon has also been downtrending. Here's a chart. Somebody wrote a decent article on it. I don't follow SafeMoon. And I don't follow SHIBU, right? There's always risk in stock market. Do I believe AMC will stay over 50 bucks, 100 bucks, 200 bucks? So why don't I follow AMC or GameStop or anything that's really popular? So think of stock as a how does wealth get created in something like this? In order for wealth to be created, you need a stock price to hold its value over time. Money doesn't magically just appear. You need a stock price to keep on going up. And a company like Microsoft or even an Amazon, right, over the last 20 years, the share price tend to go up. Wealth does not magically get created out of thin air. You need a support. You need other people to put money in. When you sell it, there has to be a buyer for the price you want. Something like this that pops up, let's say AMC hits 200 bucks per share. But if everybody tries to sell it at the same time, what happens? And if there's no value in the shares because the underlying asset is like of very little value, what is AMC's only worth $1 a share? The company may only be worth $200 or $300 million and not the crazy valuation that it has today. So one of the things that you have to know as an investor is understand the risk. If you like playing it because you're trying to trade it, that's fine. But make sure you understand the risk. I don't invest in anything that I don't think creates value for me. So for me, I'm sticking to safe, boring companies. I'm going to make $500 in dividends this week. And here's my dividend payout. You see that? I'll make a small dividend here, and a dividend here, and a dividend here. I'm going to stick to things that I know works. Do I have to worry about what happens next week or next month or somebody appears on TV? The chances are if you're buying value companies or you're buying growth company with a dividend or a tech stock with a dividend, this is a little bit easier to play. And remember, I'm trying to make money regardless of what happens in the news. I'm not trying to time anything. I'm not a day trader. I don't really care about what's going on in the world. If it goes up or goes down, I need to come up with a way that's easy for me to understand and make money regardless of what happens. So this is where a lot of investors like chasing. You want to say, hey man, did I get late in the game? Should I buy options on AMC? Let's go to the moon. And what the news doesn't show you is a lot of times there are more people who lose money chasing these hot popular stocks. And that's the problem. You become the bag holder. You got it a little bit too late. You're holding the bag. Somebody made money on you coming in late. So that's really the hardest part of that type of game. Again, I don't play it. I'm just sticking to what I know. Sure, it may be boring. If you can make 5%, 8%, 12% return, whatever it is, sure, it's boring. Crypto was incredible this year. A lot of people made 500%. Some people made 1,000%. If you were holding Doge earlier this year, some people made more than that. They made 10,000% return. So I understand that. But your plan in life shouldn't be like, I require to make that much because that's my retirement plan. My retirement plan requires like a 5 or 6% rate of return. And really, I can beat that even in my options trading. So when I blend it in with my boring ETFs, buying S&P 500, it works. So I don't need to chase returns anymore. I need to just play the market safe. I use a very conservative strategy. So with that, hey, comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what some of your biggest losers are or biggest winners are this year. Okay? Have a good one. Don't forget, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. As always, have a profitable day. Bye-bye.